How to lose weight and keep it off. Subscribe now, like, and share this video. There's a better way to lose weight. These tips can help you avoid diet pitfalls and achieve lasting weight loss success. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. 1. Cut calories. Some experts believe that successfully managing your weight comes down to a simple equation: if you eat fewer calories than you burn, you lose weight. Sounds easy, right? Then why is losing weight so hard? When you cut calories, you may drop weight for the first few weeks, for example, and then something changes. You eat the same number of calories but you lose less weight or no weight at all. That's because when you lose weight you're losing water and lean tissue as well as fat, your metabolism slows, and your body changes in other ways. So, in order to continue dropping weight each week, you need to continue cutting calories. 2. Cut carbs. A different way of viewing weight loss identifies the problem as not one of consuming too many calories, but rather the way the body accumulates fat after consuming carbohydrates, in particular the role of the hormone insulin. When you eat a meal, carbohydrates from the food enter your bloodstream as glucose. In order to keep your blood sugar levels in check, your body always burns off this glucose before it burns off fat from a meal. If you eat a carbohydrate-rich meal, lots of pasta, rice, bread, or French fries, for example, your body releases insulin to help with the influx of all this glucose into your blood. As well as regulating blood sugar levels, insulin does two things: it prevents your fat cells from releasing fat for the body to burn as fuel because its priority is to burn off the glucose, and it creates more fat cells for storing everything that your body can't burn off. The result is that you gain weight and your body now requires more fuel to burn, so you eat more. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. 3. Cut fat. It's a mainstay of many diets. If you don't want to get fat, don't eat fat. Walk down any grocery store aisle and you'll be bombarded with reduced fat snacks, dairy, and packaged meals. But while our low-fat options have exploded, so have obesity rates. So, why haven't low-fat diets worked for more of us? Not all fat is bad. Healthy or good fats can actually help to control your weight, as well as manage your moods and fight fatigue. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. 4. Follow the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes eating good fats and good carbs along with large quantities of fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, fish, and olive oil, and only modest amounts of meat and cheese. The Mediterranean diet is more than just about food, though. Regular physical activity and sharing meals with others are also major components. 5. Control emotional eating. We don't always eat simply to satisfy hunger. All too often, we turn to food when we're stressed or anxious, which can wreck any diet and pack on the pounds. Do you eat when you're worried, bored, or lonely? Do you snack in front of the TV at the end of a stressful day? Recognizing your emotional eating triggers can make all the difference in your weight loss efforts. However, if you don't want to go on a diet, check out the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.